Hey everybody, welcome back to Land Yacht Garage. So, in today's video, we will be painting the underside of the cab on my 96 project. So, but before I really get into it, I want to say a couple of things. Go follow me on Instagram for Truck Mayhem, because I think when I paint the frame, I'm actually going to do it all on Instagram Live. So, if you guys want to see that, go and follow me on Instagram. TikTok is thatyellow58L, and Facebook is Land Yacht Garage. So, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to have to wash the underside of the cab and maybe fix my rocker panel a little bit because somebody might have backed into it, not me. How do you miss a big yellow truck cab? No idea. So, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I would also like to thank you guys for 200 subscribers. I think last time I checked, we were at 202 subscribers. And the 7.3 Power Stroke has like 1,200 views, which is huge for me. I know it doesn't seem like a lot, but it is for me. So I'm going to go ahead and get the hose set up. Okay, so the underside of the cab's all scrubbed. On the rust, I'm just gonna take a wire wheel on my drill and just knock down the rust. I'm not really worried about it. I mean, I'm tractor painting the underneath. So now I'm gonna spend this time to get the last couple of things off the F350 frame. So hopefully maybe this week it can be sandblasted. I wanted to have it done last week, but there was like an extreme heat wave and that just did not get done. So now I gotta call the sandblaster guy, and yeah. So while I wait for this to dry fully, I'm gonna do the frame, which I'm not gonna do that on camera. So it's pretty much dried off. It's not as clean as I would like it, but I'll get the rest with a wire brush. So having a little bit of issues per se to get the frame sandblasted. I called the guy about just before I got the truck, a couple of days before I got the truck. So about 2-3 weeks ago now. And he was like, yep, that would be, because I said I have a rolling chassis. And he said, yep, that would be between 450 to 500. I was like, okay, sounds good. I'll probably go ahead and do it. So I just called him back, and he tried to say 600 to 700. And I said, well, I just called you 2 weeks ago and you quoted me 450 to 500. He's like, oh, well, that will work. So then I'm like, okay, well, whatever. I tried to call the tow guy, well, which this truck round trip for me was, which keep in mind, it was loaded. It wasn't just a chassis. And the sandblasting place is 28 miles round trip. So the tow guy charged me, which was 120, about 130 miles round trip to go pick this truck up. He charged me $335. And he's trying to charge me $200 to do 28 miles. So I'm gonna call around. I have another connection in the tow business, and maybe try, because that's just insane. That's $7 a mile to get a frame and axles towed. Maybe if it was a loaded truck, yes, but it's literally a frame and axle. It's maybe 700 pounds. So I'm gonna go ahead and start cleaning this up. Okay, well, it ain't exactly how I wanted it to go, but drill battery's dead. I only have one, and I don't have the time to let it charge. I shouldn't have. Yep. 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 I'm just gonna ignore it because I don't care. Um, this gets very costly very easily, and I'm not doing another cab mount. I've done cab mounts before. Can I do it? Yes. Am I doing it? No. Nope. No, I am not. A couple of pinholes here, whatever. I'll just cover it with sound dampening. I'm not worried about it. This I kind of knew was tender. One new hole there, pinhole there. This side's a little better. I mean, you probably won't be able to notice once it really is painted, but I have had a truck fail inspection because of a hole that is already here just getting rotted out a little bit when the cab mounts way in here and has like fucking 4 layers of steel. Whatever. I mean, it has a connection point here, connection point there. This is bent over, connection point there. It's stupid. But yeah, I kind of didn't get down there the way I wanted to, but it's no big deal. I got to do the firewall. I'm painting the firewall, so I'm gonna go ahead and get started on painting because I have to do a wheel bearing on my neighbor's Power Stroke, so that's gonna be fun. So I need to get this done in the next couple of hours. So you guessed it, probably because it's in the title of the video. We're gonna be using tractor paint. So have this left over from when I did the Cadillac. I'm just gonna get a new gallon for when I do the frame. Stay tuned for that video. Like I said, Ford Truck Mayhem on Instagram. And I got the finest paintbrushes $3 could buy. I'm not sure around you, but like every hardware store around here has a Regal stuff, and it's like black, blue, yellow, and another color. I think that might have been it. $2.99 for 3 paintbrushes. Let's see. I'm sure these are nice and quality paintbrushes because we're doing it on a budget. it's coming out fairly well. Yeah, it's going pretty good. Yeah, don't really have much more to say. So this video will probably be uploaded. It depends. It all depends on how the sandblasting for the frame goes. Um, this video might be uploaded Sunday, maybe, because this Thursday is gonna be me actually disassembling this truck, which that video has been done for like a week. But it all depends on how the sandblasting goes and how all that goes. It all depends. You might see this on a Thursday or a Sunday. I'm not really sure as of right now. Well, just almost done. It actually has pretty decent gloss to it. I mean, it's not perfect, okay? Like, just not bad. For an underside of the cab, I just thought of something. I should have gotten my spray gun so then I could get practice. So when I spray my truck again, yellow. But I thought about that about halfway through, and it's not worth it once I'm halfway through, because then I have to get out the air compressor, deal with that, get the spray gun, thin the paint, put the hardener in, and then clean the gun after. So it just did not make sense for me to do that. So I'm going to go ahead, finish this little part. This is actually pretty time consuming. Unfortunately, I can't get that bottom lip because it's like soaked and still has dirt on it. I can't rinse it off because then it will hit the dirt and dirt will bounce back up. So I'll just give that a quick coat when it's on the truck. That ain't no big deal. Yeah, I mean, good enough for me. Whatever. Okay. The underneath of the cab's done. I might try to get in there a little bit. I'm not sure. Looks pretty good. So, I'm going to go wash up. And I just had a package come for something else that I have to do. So, next, I'm going to do the firewall. And I think I'm even going to, like, paint, like, this stuff just in here. Well, I'd say that turned out pretty good. I didn't go all the way around the brake booster or anything. I'll get this whole area better because I have to replace the brake booster and the master with an F350 anyway. I pulled out my computer because it was getting full of water. So, yeah, I'm going to put this in my shelter before it gets ruined. Yeah, and it came out fucking pretty good for tractor paint, whatever. I mean, it's the underside of the truck. I gotta patch a hole in the heater box that I completely forgot about, and, well, I gotta shoot some soft tappers into it, so, yeah, not bad. So, with that being said, thank you guys for watching this video. There will be more videos like this where I'm just focusing on one thing, and that's it. Not like, oh, I gotta pull motor, transmission, whatever. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. The next video will be hopefully painting this frame and axle. I got to talk to my neighbor today and have him weld it up once I get it back from sandblasting. But like I said earlier in the video, don't forget to go follow me on Instagram at Ford Truck Mayhem. I would do it live on YouTube, but yeah, I'm covered. But I'm still banned from going live on YouTube. It's been like 4 years. I don't even know why they banned me, but I'm still banned from going live on YouTube. So like I said, live, there'll still be a video on painting the frame, but me actually painting the frame instead of doing a time lapse, I'm gonna go live on Instagram. So hopefully that will be in a week. It all depends on my neighbor. If I can get the frame back this weekend from the sandblaster, then he'll probably patch it this weekend. So thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share with your friends because that helps grow the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Okay guys, so I'm editing this video right now, and I made a huge mistake. Well, not really huge, it's not. My Instagram is actually Land Yacht Garage. I totally forgot that I changed it. It's Land Yacht Garage. I'm going to also put it, I'm going to write it at the bottom when I said Ford Truck Mayhem. It's actually Land Yacht Garage. I totally forgot that I changed that. Frame actually just went off to the sandblaster about 20 minutes ago, so I'm going to get that back at the end of the week. And then I already have my neighbor. He's going to weld up the patches on the frame. Truck's coming along. So, like I said, thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next one.